Unleash the thrill with the 2024 Aprilia RS 457, where performance meets precision in an extraordinary way. Crafted for speed enthusiasts, the RS 457 boasts a sharp, aggressive design that slices through the air with ease. Powering your adrenaline is a fierce 405cc twin-cylinder engine, delivering 48.6 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 37.2 Nm of torque at 7,000 RPM. Experience razor-sharp handling thanks to its lightweight frame, tipping the scales at just 175 kilograms. Matched with a precise 6-speed gearbox, the RS 457 is engineered for seamless power transitions and exhilarating accelerations. With a seat height of 810 mm and a 15-litre fuel tank, this bike is designed for both comfort and long stints on the road or track. A generous 150 mm of ground clearance ensures that every curve and corner is a chance to outperform. The 2024 Aprilia RS 457, designed for riders who dare to defy limits and dominate the road. Don't miss out on the excitement. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, ride safe and ride free.